Have you ever asked a friend, a brother, or an uncle for something and he shouted at you or he told you some words that you were not happy? That is the nature of the son of Adam. Even if he's going to give you that thing, since you are the one asking, he's going to be angry because he's going to give you out of his budget. And that is why a poet wrote, لا تسألن بني آدم حاجة وسل الذي أبوابه لا توجب الله يغضب إن تركت سؤاله وبني آدم حين يسأل يغضب. He said, لا تسألن بني آدم حاجة. Do not ask the son of Adam of any needs. وسل الذي أبوابه لا توجب. Ask the one whose door is not closed. Allah yaghdab in tarakta su'alahu. Allah is angry when you refuse to call upon him. Wabnaya Adama hina yas'alu yaghdabu. And the son of Adam, whenever you ask him, he gets angry. So the next time you ask your uncle or your brother for anything or your friend and he nagged at you or he complained, don't get angry. That's the nature of the son of Adam. Thank you.